Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the color blindness correction mode in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on this clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key or the menu key and then hitting settings. In settings, select graphics. In graphics, look to the bottom of the display section. Here is the color blindness correction. Currently and by default it is turned off. You can set it to Protonopia, Deuteranopia, Tritanopia or back to off. Pick one of them or simply toggle it off, and after you are done, press apply. The changes should have been made. Now you can simply press close and return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.